Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily turn off this button, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your app store, your play store, and then you need to make sure you search for your Facebook. If your Facebook is not updated to the latest version, then please update your Facebook to the latest version. So you have to update your Facebook application to the latest version, and once you have updated your Facebook to the latest version, all you need to do is to just open your Facebook application over here. So just open your Facebook. So just open your Facebook, and once you open your Facebook, at the upper right corner you can see your settings and privacy. Once you click on the three lines at the upper right corner, you can see settings and privacy, and once you click on settings and privacy, you can see settings over here. Just click on settings, and once you click on settings, you can see this option in the blue. This option written in blue, you can see more in account center. Just click on that, and once you click on see more in account center, you can see password and security. Just click on that, and once you click on password and security, you can see two-factor authentication. Now once you click on this button, you can see it is asking you to select your Facebook account over here. So just select your Facebook account to turn on or turn off two-factor authentication, and it is asking for your password. So just enter your password over here. Okay, now once you have entered your password over here, you can see over here, I will advise you to click on this button which says test message. I have already turned it on, so you can see, just click on that option, and once you click on that, you can see this button over here. Just turn it off, and you can see over here turn off two-factor authentication. So just click on turn off, and by doing this you can turn off your two-factor authentication. All you need to do is to update your Facebook application to the latest version, and also don't forget your password. If you have forgotten your password, just click on forget or forgot password, and then reset your password, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new video